Hi there, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business account. I will also share an amazing tool that you can use to optimize your Facebook campaigns to boost your online income. Alright, let's get down to business. The very first thing you need to do to advertise on Facebook is to get a business manager account, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. First, you need to go to this address, called business.facebook.com. If you don't have an account, this is the page that you will see when you enter the URL. You need to be logged in with your personal Facebook profile before you can create a business manager account. I probably should mention that creating a business manager account is free. I'm not going to go through every single detail on this page because it's a very simple and straightforward process. What you want to do is go to the top right corner, click on Create Account and just fill in the details. Now, all this is pretty self-explanatory and I'm using a test account just to demonstrate this. So let's just get to it. Right? Okay, keep in mind that I am making the information up. But you need to type your actual business name. So I'm just going to type in some information here. So in this case, this is the name of the Facebook account that I am doing a test on right now. You need to type in your email address as well. Make sure that your business email is the same email address that you use for your personal Facebook account. I'm just going to type in something here as well. After typing in the required information, I click on Next. Now, all you have to do is enter your address and your details. In this example, I'm going to type in Singapore. Okay, so I have entered my details and my physical address. If you don't have a company address, you can type in your home address, that's okay. You also need to type in a website. So if you already have a website, just type it here. If you don't have a website for the time being, you can just put in your Facebook page address and that works just fine as well. Keep in mind that you can always add your website afterwards, so don't worry too much about this step. Now it's time to choose how you are going to use your business account. This test account primarily uses Facebook tools to promote my own goods or services. But choosing either one is fine. Choosing this option works for most businesses, because most of the time that's exactly what you are doing. If you want to manage Facebook campaigns for multiple people, like friends or clients, you can always change this afterwards down the line. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes to get this done, and you only have to do it once. So yeah, that's about it. Now, you click on Submit and wait for Facebook to create your business manager account. When your account is done, you will arrive at a page that looks like this. After this, every time you log into business.facebook.com, you will see the business manager interface that looks something like this. So, I already have an ad account set up here, but if you're seeing this for the first time, there should be nothing. But don't worry. In my next video, I'll show you how to create your ad account and other configurations that you can do. If you have been following this video, you now have a business manager account on Facebook. That's it for this video, guys. If you want to run effective advertising campaigns on Facebook, you should check out the link in the description for a free platform that automates most of the workload, so you can focus on running your business.